Good morning everyone, my name is Shiny Claire Montibon and today I will be discussing my video report presentation and my topic is about the nature of the learning process and the goals of the learning process. Elements of learning: motivation, reinforcement, retention, transference. Motivation, the desire or reason to learn. Reinforcement, reward or feedback that strengthen learning. Retention, the ability to remember what is learned. Transference, applying what is learned to new situation. The elements of learning are used in various ways and places to improve the learning process. It is used in teaching, in curriculum design, in job training, and in self-directed learning. According to educational point of view, the process of modification of behavior is termed as learning. It means when students learn, their actions, attitude, or understanding become better and more developed. According to a psychological point of view, learning implies making the most appropriate response to stimulus. It means the learner adjusts their behavior based on the experience to make the right responses. Learning is shown by a change in behavior as a result of experiences by Cronbach. It means learning happens when a person's behavior changes because of experiences. And we truly learn when our actions improve or adjust after what we've gone through. Learning is a modification of both behavior and the way of perceiving by Morphy. It means learning involves changes in both behavior and perception. Learning doesn't change what we do, but also how we see and understand things. Learning is the name given to a small number of demonstrable relationships between environmental factors and behavioral changes by E.C. Tolman. It means learning is the connection between the environment and behavior. We learn by observing and reacting to our surrounding, which causes behavioral change. Nature of learning. Learning occupies a very important place in our life. Learning is the process of change which enables an organism itself to the environment. It is therefore a process of development and growth, and it is characterized by flexibility because the individual has to adapt itself constantly to the circumstances of the environment. Learning produces changes is behavior. In short, learning helps us grow, adjust, and change our behavior to fit different situations in life. And learning is a natural and active process that changes how we think, behave, and solve problems through experience and participation. In short, learning is important because it motivates us, expands our knowledge, sharpens our thinking, and helps us solve real-life problems. In short, learning is a lifelong and continuous process that affects our body, mind, and the behavior, helping us grow and improve as individuals. Principles of learning: readiness, exercise, effect, primacy, recency, intensity, requirement, and freedom. Readiness ensures learners are prepared and motivated, while exercise reinforces learning through practice and repetition. The effect principle highlights the importance of positive reinforcement, making learning more satisfying and encouraging repetition. Primacy emphasizes the lasting impact of initial experiences, while recency underscores the need for timely review to retain information. Intensity suggests that engaging and vivid experience enhance learning more effectively than routine ones. Effective learning requires fulfilling a requirement and allowing freedom for exploration and discovery.